Alright guys, first...
First I gotta say something. He whines and complains about not finding coins, but yet he's been finding Civil War relics left and freaking right.
That's right, baby.
I'd give him my silver coins for that.
That's right. That is a Confederate soldier buckle.
Confederate States of America.
Confederate
Please.
States of America. That is incredible.
This house was built in 1800, so that's period.
Wow, 1800 this house was built. Woo! All right, I'm about done. I'm ready to go home and get this baby cleaned up a little bit. Wow. Hey Matt, you can have that quarter and dime.
Yeah, there's also fine.
Wow, thanks man. Wow.
There's incredible.
Wow. Woo, I'm excited. I hadn't been this excited metal detecting in a long time.
So you said you wanted to find one this year.
That is sweet. All right. Woo, I'm shaking. We'll get back with you. All right, guys, harmonica reed. Lots of stuff around here and lots of deep or shallow roots. This is tough digging, but obviously worth it. All right, we'll get back with you. All right, guys, I think this is going to be the find of the day so far. That is a tiny button. It's got an eagle on it with its head turned to the left. I'm not sure if that's coming in focus or not, but I'll definitely check that out. We'll see you.